Yeah, guys, today, as we know, kudlala i-Sundowns ngo-9, so asisho ukuthi sayisapota as i-Sundowns, but namhlanje bafethu for the sake of Africans, guys, let's support the Sundowns, guys. If bahluleka kusho ukuthi ne-national team yethu abantu bazoyazi ngokuthi i-team ehlulekayo, yabo. But if you get behind boys, bafethu, I think bangaya phambili, guys. Angeke kusuka abantu base-Brazil bafethu, abantu base-Maputo, base-Zimbabwe mfethu bazosupport i-team edlala ku-PSL e-South Africa. Thina ama-South African sibe against yona, umona, guys. Yeah, siyazi man, kune-tension ku-PSL madoda, but Vandag, Chiefs, Pirates support us and the rest of the teams, sure.